Her lip gloss is holding on to dear life.
Je sais qu'elles sont fausses. Mais... Like that's you, right there on the wall.
No, yeah, so I'm vibing. Keep going.
Anyone who moves to Thailand is looking for something or hiding for something.
These are so clutch. These baby pink with neon shoelaces. I mean, I personally would change the neon shoelaces to like white shoelaces, but these are very cute. Thank you, Adidas. Thank you, Little Burgundy. So cute. There's one case that has my nickname, which is Thai. And then there's a case that has a little kitty cat with some stripes, and I'm really into stripes these days. It's like my spring thing.
Okay, yeah, this is my friend. I can't do this in the middle of the show. We'll take a picture.
I'm talented too. I can sing.
Là, regarde. On voit mes mots. N'importe où, il y a des. Ah, il dit ça? Non, c'est moi.
Pétition pour que Alice revienne à Montréal, merci.
Give me the PR! Give me the PR!
Tout va bien, c'est juste que je suis bien entourée.
Genre, ça veut dire qu'à chaque fois que tu prends des photos. I was obsessed. She did a whole book club for it. I think it's just like.
Yeah. Madame Culture.
Là, on me dit nettoie ton écran, ensuite on me dit bonjour, c'est bon. Ah ouais. C'est nul. Allez. Oh. Si tu fais les choses, fais-les bien, t'es comme ma bête.
17h25.
Ah, ça va.
Ça coûte combien?
It is 10:30. It's 10:30. It's quite late. Have to be up at 6:45. So I have this really cute nail set that I adore from It's Casted Them here in Montreal, but I unfortunately broke a nail. So I got this glue from, I believe, Marché. So I'm just gonna glue her back on before I go to bed. This glue was quite expensive and it kind of surprised me. I'm going to bed, my sweet angels. Sweet dreams. Did you hear my stomach?
Put me on to Summer Fridays. Oops, the scent I wanted was sold out. Oh, like, call me please. So cute. If you came in, yeah, let me get you.
Not sold, let's say you buy an NFT, right? From explaining the process. And there's like 100,000. Yeah. Purchase it at now, so it's more different than that.
This man told me he was gonna put me in a
Really didn't understand the dress code, you know, and the temperature at.
Some of you guys don't understand, okay? Some of you guys, okay? If you had a real job, what was that cool, okay? If you owned a business, you would understand what it takes to run a business, but you don't, do you? Okay? A lot of you are unemployed. A lot of you are unemployed doom scrolling, okay? Hating on a young professional woman such as my friend right here. How about that?
Let's put the phone and then we're talking about
Yeah, they're the ones, they're the ones.
Et on fait quoi? On mange de l'avocat?
Ben, je sais pas, je me suis dit.
Voilà.
I forgot the rest of the night, so. I don't think we need more than this.
what?
Because there's another avocado on it.
What should I do? What could I do?
What's the dress, my thing photo?
Non.
Oh, okay, that's really cool.
Bah, j'adore que tu adores que j'adore.
edition, but like
They just know like what flavors.
yeah, no, girl. She's bulky. It's gonna give skinny jeans.
Surely she's long, but she's not.
Yeah,
Don't be
it
scared.
might just be a bit tight, you know.
What do you think? Let me
Do you
try
want
her
the
on.
blowers?
I do. But maybe we should bring skinny back.
You know,
Skinny pants back, you know?
Maybe, you know.
Okay, I am obsessed with the texture of the polka dots and then this little ruffled texture. I'm not a fan of the length of it or like necessarily the cut, but she's cute. I feel like she's so unique. I'm in so in. I just found this top, yeah. I love her, she's so cute. Perfectly fitted. This little lace detail. Okay, hear me out. I feel like this could be very cute during summer. I would like her slightly more tight. I feel like the texture pattern does something to me. Like she's quite cute, but also like, do we like her? I am in my polka dot era, so I'm wondering if this is a slay or a nay. I think she's quite cute. She's quite cute.
This is so good.
It's adorable.
Taking a cute selfie in this, right?